Yeah, yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Uh-huh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. You a virgin. Hang it up, Peckerneck. Oh, Peckerneck. Cause we know we got redneck in here.
Redneck.
Yeah, we got redneck in the building. We got Team Thundercock, Fox by the King, Bojangles. Is that Omar again?
It says Peckerneck, not Pepperneck.
Oh, Peckerneck. Oh, damn. Y'all know my reading be off a little bit. What's up, Buster Beats in here, y'all? Damn, that's an ugly face he making. Look. Fine-tuned machine right there, boy. That ain't missing no gear. It just getting straight to the money, man. Okay. Damn, curly girl, I'm about to bust. Damn. Somebody about to bust. I don't know what the fuck. Craigasm, Craigasm. I don't know, who are you talking about? Oh, boy said he need ID. Okay. I see a 305 with some flat top pistons, one of my subscribers say. I see a 305 right there. Calibration Skywalker 006. Track live. You need that halftime show. Skywalker 006 gonna have to inbox me. He sound like one of my brothers with one of these ideas. My brother, he won't even let me finish an idea. He'll get right to the next idea. Hell yeah, fool, we could. Damn, I ain't finished the last thought. Left side for the win. Left side for the win, y'all. I see the vet pulling up. Let me see what he's finna do. No full pass. Oh yeah, he got old boy Ride with him now. Everybody say he's finna make a full pass. We got Super TRD Turbo, appreciate the follow. Buster Beats, appreciate the 3 bits. Putting enough glue. Oh, you do? Okay. Full pass. Wasted PR9. Hey, super turbo. You got a turbo with a super? I mean, you better freaking send it. Sound like it's idled up too high. I don't hear no cam. Yeah, it's sticky in that groove right there. He ready now, y'all. The idle was low earlier. He done idled it up. I think he's making a full